Okay, to start, we're going to mix up our cake. You don't need any measurements. This recipe is totally up to your taste, so use as much cake as you want. You're going to mix it till it becomes a cookie dough or a cake pop dough texture. Okay, so now you're going to add in your buttercream and then you're going to mix that very well. Now you're going to add in your vanilla extract and then you're going to add in your sprinkles and then you just mix it until it's fully incorporated. The recipe is so good and you can just change the flavor however you want. I'm actually using coconut extract because I'm using it for a pineapple coconut cupcake. So yeah, it's really, really good and it tastes just like birthday cake.